Hello, my friends. This is Mrs. Sandine. I am unboxing a Barista cart called Hot and Fresh Teeny One. And this is from Five Below. So, yes, it was pretty cheap. Super cute. You see that? This is the front. It's sealed. This is the side. And this is the back. Sorry for that noise. Okay. So, it includes one coffee cart, one coffee grinder, one bag of coffee beans. Oh, I didn't know that. One syrup flavor pump, one coffee machine, one open and close sign, two to-go cups, one to-go tray, one sugar pourer, one creamer, chalkboard menu, coffee pot, one donut, muffin, one chocolate croissant, one puff pastry, one tiramisu slice, one espresso cup, and one mug. Now, some of the words in these in this box, they're actually the same in Spanish. Coffee is very similar to café, just extra letters. Let's see. Creamer, the word creamer, crema, it's just 2 letters off. And let's see. Donut is very similar, the spelling. Chocolate, chocolate, the same spelling, just pronounce it different. Croissant, since it's a French word, it's the same in English, Spanish, and in French. And tiramisu, the same thing. It's from a different language, so it is the same spelling. Oh, espresso. Espresso is the same word. It's just may mean something different, but espresso also is in Spanish. All right, so those are the Spanish words. So let's open it up. Yep, I've been saving this to open because I have not had time, my friends. I've been teaching. And this thing doesn't open. Okay, it came off. Yay. All right, so this, I'm assuming this is the floor, right? Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, so let's put that down off the floor. So cute. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. I don't want anything to fly out. There's so much noise. Oh my goodness. These are microscopic. They're tiny. All right, so let me just put these in the container here. That way I don't lose anything, right? Okay. All right. Now, ta-da! Let's put the curtain. You like a restaurant. I'm just kidding. All right. So you. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, let's take the plastic out of here. There's more plastic. How much plastic there is? Okay. Oh, this is the coffee machine. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. It's adorable. What is this? I guess you open it. You put it here. Let's see. Oh, it goes there. Maybe not. Maybe, I don't know. It keeps falling. All right, so let's see the pictures. Very important, just like in your classes. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Okay, so we have the picture. Put that down so you can actually see the picture also. Always keep the picture, just don't throw it away, okay? All right, so the coffee machine goes about here. I don't actually see this coffee machine there. Maybe it's a different type of coffee machine. All right, so we're just gonna stick it right there. And it rolls. You see that? Super cute, it rolls. All right, so let's see what else we need here. We need, oh, the espresso machine. Fancy. Espresso machine. Okay, what else we have? We have the little menu sign. Oh, super cute. And then here, the open sign. It probably goes here. And it falls down. Yeah. All right, let's see. I can hold it and put this here. Yes, it goes there. And what is this little thing? Fresh coffee. Huh. I wonder what this is for. Okay, we'll just stick it where we're gonna stick. Oh, there's a little machine that goes there. I don't know. All right, let's see. This is a little coffee thing. Let's put it over here. Okay, coffee. Ooh, that coffee doesn't fit there. Okay, we're gonna put you guy over here. And this goes like this. Okay, so I have to put it here. And probably if I wanted to stay, I'm probably gonna have to tape that. But for now, let's just pretend it's there and it keeps falling. Okay, that one went in. How about this one? One's like, okay. All right, that's okay. That's okay, Miss Sandy. We're just gonna leave it there for now. Okay. All right. So this is, oh, the little muffin. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. All right, so let me turn it around so you can see this side. We're going to put the little muffin there, and the muffin fell. Put the muffin. Put the croissant. Yum, yum. Let's see what else we have. What is this? I don't know. It looks like a toast, like a pastry. Oh, pastry. Put a pastry there. Let's see. And then let me see if I can turn this around slowly without things falling. Oh, look at this little tiny coffee. Oh, and look at the cup. Hold on, hold on. Check this out. So cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. We're going to put it right there. Boom. Right here. Right here. And it fell down. Miss Sandine, what's happening? Okay, let's put the little coffee container here. And if it's, yes, it does fit. Okay, let's put another little cup of coffee here. A little cup. Actually, these fit better. So let's take this out. Put this here. That is adorable, adorable, adorable. I'm gonna put it right there because we don't have space. All right, let me back up so you can see a better view here. And put these little guys there. Take this out of the way. Look at that, look at that. My little sign. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have, oh, this is the tiramisu, which is like, has a little chocolate in it. So we're gonna slide it. Does it fit? It doesn't fit. Oh my goodness, it doesn't fit there. Okay, well, we're gonna put it right next to the pastry. Does it fit? Yeah, sort of. Okay, let's see. We have, whoops, we have the little creamer here. We're gonna fit the creamer over here if someone needs creamer. Look at this tiny, tiny, tiny. Oh, you can't even see it. Look at this tiny, tiny little, what is this? Creamer sugar. So cute. We're gonna put this up there. Boom. And we're going to, ooh, this is for your syrup. Yummy. Syrup. So we're gonna put the syrup about right here. We're gonna make some little space here. And I know that thing doesn't stay, but it's okay. It's okay. And look at these. Look at these little tiny cups. So cute. We're gonna put this. Oh, this is not a cup. This is sugar. It's white there. And we'll put the sugar over here. Tiny sugar. And this is a tiny espresso cup. Like my husband probably would drink that. It's like strong coffee. Yeah, my coffee is not that strong. All right, let's put it back here. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then what is this? This is, I don't know. Maybe this is a sugar? What is this thing? I don't know. Something. Some little thing. Okay, let's just stick the little thing right there. You see that? Adorable, adorable. This is the sign. And the coffee machine actually rolls away. So cute. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Look how adorable it is. And I'm just zooming in so you can see. And I'm turning it to this side. And it's probably good for like if you have like the smaller Barbies, not the regular size ones. That should be good. And this is the sign. Adios. Happy breakfast day.